Module 8, Risk Management and Internal Control Assessment. Course Overview. Module 8 explores risk management and internal control assessment, a cornerstone of robust internal audits and financial governance. This module emphasizes the identification, evaluation, mitigation, and continuous monitoring of risks that could undermine organizational objectives, financial integrity, and operational efficiency. You will gain advanced insights into systematic risk assessment, integration of risk management with internal control frameworks, and methodologies to strengthen organizational resilience. The module ensures auditors and finance professionals can anticipate potential threats, evaluate control effectiveness, and implement proactive mitigation strategies. 2. Definition and purpose. Risk management is defined as a structured process of identifying, evaluating, prioritizing, and mitigating risks to achieve organizational objectives and safeguard assets. Internal control assessment involves evaluating the effectiveness of internal controls in mitigating risks, ensuring compliance, and promoting operational efficiency. Purpose of risk management and control assessment. Identify strategic, operational, financial, and compliance risks. Evaluate whether internal controls are adequate and functioning effectively. Mitigate potential financial loss, reputational damage, and operational disruptions. Provide management with actionable insights for informed decision-making. Enhance compliance with regulatory requirements, corporate governance, and best practices. A comprehensive risk management framework includes the following stages. A. Risk identification, systematic identification of internal and external risks. Categories include strategic, operational, financial, compliance, and technological risks. 4. Internal control assessment. Internal control assessment ensures that controls are appropriately designed, implemented, and effective in mitigating risks. A. Key steps in control assessment. Define control objectives. Align controls with strategic and operational goals. Identify key controls. Focus on high-risk areas and significant accounts. Test controls. Use walkthroughs, sampling, and analytical procedures. Evaluate design and operating effectiveness. Determine if controls are adequate and functioning as intended. Document findings and recommendations. Provide management with actionable insights. B. Assessment techniques. Control questionnaires and checklists. Process flow analysis and walkthroughs. Data analytics and automated control testing. Observation and verification of processes. Key control indicators. K. CIS. For ongoing monitoring. 5. Integration of risk management with internal audit. Risk assessment informs audit planning and prioritization, ensuring focus on high-risk areas. Internal audits provide independent evaluation of risk mitigation and control effectiveness. Continuous integration ensures dynamic adaptation to emerging risks, regulatory changes, and operational shifts. Promotes risk-based auditing, enhancing resource allocation and organizational resilience. 6. Common risks in financial and operational areas. Financial risks, misstatements, fraud, liquidity issues, investment losses. Operational risks, process inefficiencies, IT system failures, supply chain disruptions. Compliance risks, non-adherence to laws, regulations, and corporate policies. Strategic risks, poor decision-making, competitive threats, market volatility. Reputational risks, negative publicity, stakeholder dissatisfaction, ethical lapses. 7. Emerging trends in risk and control assessment, data-driven risk analysis. Use analytics and predictive modeling for proactive identification. Automated monitoring, continuous assessment of controls via ERP and specialized software. Integration with ESG, environmental, social governance. compliance controls now cover sustainability and ethical considerations. Scenario analysis and stress testing evaluate potential impact of extreme events on operations and finances. AI-assisted risk assessment detects patterns, anomalies, and emerging threats faster than traditional methods. These trends reinforce the strategic role of internal audit in organizational governance and risk resilience. 8. Challenges in risk management and control assessment. Incomplete or inaccurate data for risk evaluation. Resistance from management or staff to implement controls. Rapidly evolving regulatory environments. Complex organizational process and cross-departmental dependencies. Over-reliance on manual control evaluation instead of automated tools. Mitigating these challenges requires structured methodologies, professional judgment, technological tools, and continuous training. 9. Benefits of risk management and internal control assessment. Improved decision-making based on risk awareness. Enhanced financial integrity and operational efficiency. Reduced exposure to fraud, errors, and compliance breaches. Strengthened corporate governance and stakeholder confidence. Optimized allocation of resources and prioritization of high-risk areas. Proactive identification and mitigation of emerging threats. 10. Summary. Module 8 equips you with comprehensive skills in risk management and internal control assessment, enabling them to identify, evaluate, and prioritize organizational risks. Assess internal controls for design adequacy and operational effectiveness. Integrate risk management with internal audit planning and execution. Utilize modern techniques, analytics, and technologies for proactive control assessment. Recommend corrective actions to strengthen financial governance and operational resilience. You will gain the ability to anticipate risks, strengthen internal controls, and support strategic decision-making for sustainable organizational success.